Let go. It's the original Badman. Original.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I color this hair using the watercolor method. So this hair is from SOWIGS and it's a blonde headband wig. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I used and how I used them. So this is basically how the wig came. They did add this leopard headband and the pin that you see right there. What is it called? Honestly, I don't even remember. Yeah. And so I'm going to be using the Adore color in sienna brown and jet black. So first thing, I'm just using my T-pins to secure the wig on my canvas head. That way the entire wig doesn't fall into the water. So this is hot water, boiled water. The first thing, I'm going to pour the sienna brown into the hot water, mix it, and then I'm going to dip the wig into the water, but not the whole wig. Just watch the video and you'll be able to understand what I did. Okay, so I'm also working with my brush and using it to like brush the hair into the water. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Just watch and follow exactly how I'm doing it. Okay.
Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. It's a bad man.
So after that, I brought in another boiled water. This time around, I'm going to pour the Adore jet black hair color into the hot water, and then I'll mix it and repeat the same process like I did before. But this time around, I'm not going to put it all the way up to the way what am I even saying? I'm not going to put it all the way up. Like, I'm just going to dip half of the wig, like the tip of the wig, into this black color. But at the same time, I'm still using my brush. I don't know why I was doing that, but yeah. So basically, just to make the tip of the hair darker than the rest of the hair. Yeah, if that makes any sense. So that's basically what I'll be doing. And after this, I'm going to let the hair, like, I'm just going to hang it to air dry, and then I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. So after allowing the hair to air dry all through the night, this is what it looks like. The following day, I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of argan oil on the hair before straightening it.
See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. Inna me yard, them a throw the party. Inna me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a pussy inna the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. Inna the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. Inna the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one job bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me.
While I was straightening the hair, I realized the ends of the hair were dried, so I decided to just trim the ends with scissors.
I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
So guys, this is the end result of this hair, and I hope you guys love it same way I do. Like I said before, this headband wig is from SOWIGS. I'm going to leave every details of the hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Another nigga, who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one.